Hello, respectable audience. 7 minus 7 will be equal to 0. 7 minus 7 give us 0. 0 times 0 give us 0. Hence, we have calculated the value for this question, but 0 is incorrect. So, we have to handle this question again. We have subtraction, then multiplication, and again subtraction. So according to PEMDAS, which is the correct order of operation, we have to handle parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction in order. So first of all, multiplication will be our priority. So 7 minus 49 minus 7. Now by moving from left to right, we will have minus 42 minus 7, which will give us minus 49. Hence minus 49 will be correct answer. Thank you.